Hey, this is René. Welcome back to another video on this channel. It is the 28th of October and I'm 3 days into my Forex funds evaluation challenge to become a funded trader. And there were some more trades today. I think there will not be any more trades today, so I think I can already make a summary for you. Also, I will not be in the office for the next 4 days, so I will have to make this today. So let's have a look at the trades that were already made in the account in the morning. So let's have a look at these trades here. You can see the first one was at the right side in US dollar, Japanese yen. We go above this relative high, and the trade should be opened every second here. And then we will see that something happened because the trade is like a small percentage or some euro in a losing position. And at this point, I was wondering what happens if the euro-US dollar trade will also be executed in the same bar. And this is what will happen in some seconds. And a big problem is that when two trades are open, the equity, I mean, when both of these trades are losing at the same time, the equity might drop below the account balance by a greater number than which is allowed in the prop trading evaluation process here. So this is something that I didn't really think about before, because I mean I have my safety mechanism there and it would close all the trades when both of them are together, like 4% in losing 4% together, but still it is not really perfect because it doesn't really trade the strategy anymore, because then if my safety mechanism triggers and closes both of these positions, none of them will have will hit the stop loss, right? So we can only run like 100 points into the wrong direction with two trades open for my safety mechanism to trigger and close all of these trades. So this is something that I did not really think about, but also I decided that I will not change anything here and I will just accept the risk for now. And I mean, it is not the event that both trades will lose at the same time. It's not really, the chances are not really that high. So you can see here the second arrow is there, and this is the low where we just dropped below in the euro-US dollar chart, and now we have this event that two trades are open. You can see here right now everything's looking fine and both trades are making a profit, but yeah, again, there might be a problem if it's not like this. And you can now see here the stop loss for the euro-US dollar trade is already trailed, because this is the one that has a little bit less trigger points, and the euro-US dollar trade is now closed and we made a small profit on this. We can have a look at that later on. But again, just like 2 days ago, the US dollar Japanese yen is giving me a little bit of trouble because I had to wait a little bit longer for this trade to go into the direction that I wanted to go. So let's have a look at this. I will speed this up a little bit. So I increased the speed by 100 times and you can see this is going really fast now. The price was often below the entry level. Here it comes back to the entry level. This is normal speed again now. And you can see now the price will go above the entry level, but still this really took a really long time. I think this was around 20 minutes again, and then we made the profit. So let's have a look at the overall profit. So let's have a look at the results here. You can see in the account history, this is the My Forex Funds account. We made these two trades. So the first one was the euro-US dollar trade. This was the one that was closed first. There were $9.90 profit. We paid nearly $3 in commission, so it's a profit of around $6-7 here. And then we had the USD Japanese yen trade. This was a really big profit. This really helped the account. This was a 70.5 USD profit. And there were, of course, a little bit more commission paid because the lot sizes are a little bit higher in USD Japanese yen. So this was a really big profit. This was over 1% with this single trade. And we can, of course, make the comparison to my live trading account that I trade with IC Markets to see a little bit of a comparison here. And you can see the same trades were made, of course. And the profit here for Euro US dollar was 55 cents, for USD Japanese yen was 3.77. But I especially want to have a look at the profit that I made here with these trades. So you can see here I made 11 points with this Euro US dollar on the live trading account, and here in the my Forex Funds demo account I made wait, let me do the math here. 10 points. So yeah, this is absolutely okay to have 1 point difference, I think. This is because there are different brokers, they have different liquidity pools, etc., and they will have different prices, of course. So the second trade I made, wait, where can we see it? This was a buy trade, so I made 197? No, 92. Is that correct? I think these are 92 points profit. And here we should see something similar. These are 91 points in profit. I hope that I didn't do the math wrong. You can, of course, recalculate it for yourself. And yeah, this is what happens. Also, I calculated the slippage before. The slippage was a little bit higher in the my Forex Funds account. But yeah, again, we talked about this. The spread is different and it is changing a lot quicker in the my Forex Funds account. So, of course, this also adds up to a higher slippage. Because if, for example, you have a short trade, the stop loss is somewhere and the spread just widens and the price moves a little bit into the stop loss direction, it is not untypical that the ask price will be a little bit above the stop loss level. So this is why a big and often changing spread is not really good in my opinion, but everyone has its own preferences. I like to trade with raw spread accounts for this reason. So yeah, these are the results in the on the server, like in the account. We can of course have a look at the analysis tool of this my Forex Funds account, and you can see here in the daily analysis we can see that on the first day we made $27 profits. And on the second day, we made, after the second day, we were $62 in profit. The third day, there was no trading. And now we are $135 in profit. And this is 2.71% for the total account. So there are still 6% more pretty much to go, or 5.3. And yeah, I mean, it is going good, but of course, this is a risky system, a risky approach. But I think it's always a little bit of a gamble for these prop trading evaluation challenges. If you do not take the risk, it's hard to achieve their goals, I think. And yeah, I hope that we can go on like this. But the problem is if we see one or two times when we hit the initial stop loss, it's pretty much game over. But yeah, we can just wait. Also in the next weeks there will be some news. I think Monday, Tuesday there are some important news. Also on Friday there should be the non-farm payrolls. I did not decide yet if I will trade on Friday. I think I will just let it run like it does, like automatically on Monday and Tuesday, because I'm not really in the office, so I cannot do a lot anyway. And yeah, we will just see how the system reacts to news. And I hope there will know that we do not see like too big of news spikes. But if it happens, it happens. It can be a big win, it can be a big loss. We are not really able to influence this. And I'm really curious to see how it will what kind of impact it will have on my live trading account with IC Markets and also on my demo account for this prop trading challenge evaluation. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing these things, if you want to learn more about trading, especially automated trading, make sure to subscribe. Also like the videos if you want to see more content, and let me know in the comment section what you think about today's trades, and do you think if I can pass the evaluation challenge. challenge. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm out. Have a great time and good trades. Bye bye.